guys. So sorry about that, but we're gonna mix and mix, and we're gonna the activator in a little bit. We're gonna mix and see how our plates are black. Yeah, they're really cool. They look awesome.
There's chocolate ones.
Yeah, look at this. Oh, pink is still pink. Oh my gosh, your turn like light pink.
Oh,
Yeah, mine is
yours?
so hot.
Okay.
Okay, now let's add an activator.
Okay. Where is that? This big guy?
Yeah. That's an activator.
Okay, I thought use this.
Okay, put it over here. So we're gonna be adding the activator. You tell me, cause next I'm gonna fill. You know,
Just add a little things.
like this.
Yeah, it'll be
Yeah,
good
it's
for
good.
right now. Then
Okay, so we're gonna mix now. We're gonna mix and see if this is gonna change the glue. If this is gonna change as slime. Okay, so we're gonna be mixing. It's not working.
It is working for me.
Really?
No, I'm working. Okay. Oh, you have to
Let's
add
add more. Let's add a little bit more.
It's like
Until we get into a slime
thing.
container thing. It's not slimy still. Because I can see
It takes a long time to enter when you're using like a bottle.
I'm so excited to see. Wait, Justin, you can see this? Oh, I'm still going to be so surprised about her face. We're going to be like, we did it yesterday.
She's like,
How could you? She's going to be mad at us.
yeah, just don't talk about that.
Yeah. But what if she just gets like, oh my gosh, you did the review yesterday. Like, she just... Hey guys, so we're back, and this is just a fail. We didn't do it. This was just a fail. Guys, it was just a fail. We look like old ladies, you know? So pretty. So we used glue and glue and glue, but it never worked. I got glue myself. Next time, bring your activator, because this is not working at all.
I got like gang inside that works really weird, and I also got this. That's actually the one that you use when I
So, yeah, it was a fail, and I just wasted my glue. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. Let's clean. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a like, and if you want unicorn dab slime, this is the slime. Then you could when we get 20 subscribers, we'll have this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe. So bye.